Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing live TV and live sports app to your Fire Stick. The whole process is going to be pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, what you gotta do is you need to have the app code downloader on your Fire Stick. If you already have downloader and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you need to follow me. So firstly, we just go to the search bar on your Fire Stick, open it, and then start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and here's this orange app, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because now you still need to set it up. So in order to set up the loader, you go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then just scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here all you have to do is locate the downloader and turn the option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it, wait a moment until it loads, and here's the downloader. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost only a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in the VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your Fire Stick or on your TV, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Let's open it up, wait a moment until it loads, and here's the downloader now. So we open it, wait a moment, and now in the app, what you gotta do is you'll have to enter a code. So the code is gonna be 351486. So once again, 351486. That is the code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install, and now in a couple of moments the app will be fully installed. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then when you go back to a list of apps on your device, let me open it. And now here at the bottom you will find this new sports app. So now first of all I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then feel free to open this app. And now in here you get access to loads of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.